Hello, Gary K. Wolf. It's me, Jonathan the Voiceman Martinez, and I believe that we met 2 years ago at the Chronos shows on interviews, and I know you love my voices, impressions of Roger Rabbit, and my drawings too. And I just like to say, happy birthday. You are now 85 years old. And I just would love to entertain with you, and I have to bring Roger if I would say, hey, Roger, you like something to say to your creators?
Jeepers, I just wanted to say happy birthday, Gary K. Wolf. You are 85 years old for creating me as Roger Rabbit. Please.
Well, I just wanted to entertain with you, Gary. I wanted to entertain for your birthday song, and I will sing it for you, and here goes. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Gary. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Gary. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Gary. I'm glad you enjoyed the video, and I'm glad you enjoyed to see the video, and I gotta go, and thank you for entertaining with you. And I like to say one more thing for Roger.
Jeepers, happy birthday, Gary K. Wolf. I just wanted to say thank you so much, and ladies and gentlemen, everybody knows that everybody loves Toontown, everybody loves Roger Rabbit, everybody loves Gary K. Wolf creates me. I am Roger Rabbit. Well, I guess I'll see you later.